Chapter 6. Nouns, number. Let's understand. The highlighted words tell you that the nouns can be both plural or singular. A noun is said to be in singular number if it refers to one person, animal, place or thing. If it refers to more than one person, animal, place or thing, it is said to be in plural number. Examples. May I see your dress? Singular. May I see your dresses? Plural. Formation of plurals. There are many ways to form plurals of nouns. Some of them are: add s to most nouns. Singular, plural. Book, books. Face, faces. Girl, girls. Street, streets. Chief, chiefs. Flower, flowers. Horse, horses. Toy, toys. Word that end in hissing sounds followed by E. Axe, axes. Bale, bales. Base, bases. Noise, noises. Nouns ending with the hard sound of CH. Monarch, monarchs. Eunuch, eunuchs. Nouns ending with a vowel before Y. Key, keys. Monkey, monkeys. Toy, toys. Way, ways. Nouns ending with O. Piano, pianos. Video, videos. Yo-yo, yo-yos. Zoo, zoos. Add es to words that end in hissing sounds like s, double s, tch, x, sh and z. Branch, branches. Fox, foxes. Kiss, kisses. Waltz, waltzes. Watch, watches. Wish, wishes. Nouns ending with the soft sound of ch. Branch, branches. Church, churches. Match, matches. Sandwich, sandwiches. Some nouns that end in o. Hero, heroes. Tomato, tomatoes. Volcano, volcanoes. Some nouns ending in o take both s and es for their plural forms. Zero, zeros, zeros. Motor, motos, motos. Flamingo, flamingos, flamingos. Some nouns change y to I and add es for nouns ending with a consonant before y. Baby, babies. City, cities. Family, families. Lady, ladies. Some nouns drop the final f or fe and add ves. Calf, calves. Knife, knives. Leaf, leaves. Thief, thief. A. Underline the nouns and other forms of plurals. Some countable nouns have a completely different plural form. Here is a list of some such nouns. Singular, plural. Child, children. Bacterium, bacteria. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Louse, lice. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Woman, women. Some nouns can be used in singular and plural forms without any change in their spellings. The words that come before and after them tell us whether we are talking about a singular or a plural noun. Examples. A sheep is drinking water at the river. Sheep are grazing in the pasture. Some nouns do not have singular forms. Fireworks, pincers. Headphones, outskirts. Police, spectacles. Scissors, trousers. Exception to the rule. Some nouns remain the same in their singular and plural forms. Some nouns have their own plural form. C. Fill in the blanks with the correct plural form to remember that. Nouns are either singular or plural. There are many ways to form plurals.